Welcome back. Today we start the study of Prabhadaga 2, seeking the blessings for bliss and long life.
स्वसे दीर्घायित्वाय वर्चधवोषधेत्रायस्वैनग्स्पथिते मैनगम्भिगुंसेर्देवश्रूरेतानि प्रवपे स्वत्युत्तराण्यशीयापो अस्मान् मातरः शुन्धन्तु घृतेन नो घृतपवः पुनन्तु विश्वमस्मत्प्रवहन्तु विप्रमुदाभ्यः शुचिला भूतये विशोभस्य तनोरसि तनुवम् मे पाहि महीनाम् पयोधिवर्चोधाधिवर्चो मयि धेहि वृत्रस्य गणेनिकाधिचक्षुष्वाधिचक्षुर् मे पाहि यत्पदिस्त्वा पुनातु वाक्पदिस्त्वा पुनातु देवस्त्वादपिता पुनात्वच्छिद्रेण पवित्रेण वसो सूर्यस्य रश्मिभिस्तस्य ते पवित्रपदे पवित्रेण यस्मैकम् पुनेच्छकेयमावो देवादयीमहे सत्यधर्माणो अब्धले यद्वो देवास आगुरे यज्ञियासो हवामह इन्द्रा द्यावा पृथिवी आपवोषधीस्तम् दीक्षानामधिपतिरसीहमासन्तम् पाहि.
This is a prayer to the Lord for giving us splendor and long life. We also pray to the God that we have the capability and the urge to protect the environment. We need to note here that environment protection is not a new-found fad as far as Bharatavarsha is concerned. From the Vedic ages, we have been told and we have been praying that we should be blessed with a good environment. And the Rishi through this verse tells us that we should control our egos. Most of the problems we today face arise out of ego and ego alone. So we should learn to suppress our egos. Bloated egos should be controlled. That is what the Rishi tells us. And by reciting this verse or listening to it and knowing the meaning, we will be reminded to control our egos, and we also seek the Lord's blessings so that we are not egoistic. This verse then prays that may the divine mothers protect us so that we maintain a healthy body. Here again we have to note that the prayer is to the mothers. So the importance is on family life and the blessings of the women folk. So we can conclude here that Bharatavarsha and the Sanatana Dharma has placed the woman as the cornerstone as every household and the society. And the divine mothers, they find a place throughout the Vedas. This message we have to keep on harping within us. And we have to be telling others also that womanhood and the divine mothers have to be celebrated and prayed for so that we have a healthy body and a healthy mind. The prayer then continues, seeking the blessings of the Lord of Speech and Lord Savitar so that we achieve positiveness in our life. The Anuvaga then concludes, seeking the blessings of the Lord in the journey of our life towards truthfulness. Welcome back. Today we discuss the second Anuvaga of Prabhadaga 2, which deals with willpower and determination.
आगोत्यै प्रियजेऽग्नये स्वाहा मेधायै मनसेऽग्नये स्वाहा दीक्षायै तपसेऽग्नये स्वाहा सरस्वत्यै पूष्णेऽग्नये स्वाहा पो देवीर्बृहतीर्विश्वशम्भुवो द्यावा पृथिवी उर्वन्तरिक्षम् बृहस्पतिर्नो हविषा वृधातु स्वाहा विश्वे देवस्य नेतुर्मत्तो वृणीत सख्यम् विश्वे राजैषुध्यसिद्युम्नम् वृणीत पुष्यते स्वाहा सावयो शिल्पे सस्ते वामारभेदे वापाधमास्य यज्ञस्योदृज इवान्धिरगुम् शिक्षमाणस्य देवक्रतुम् दक्षम् वरुणजगुंसिषाधिजयादि विश्वादुरितातरेव सुधर्माणवधिनावगुम् रुहेमोर्गस्याङ्गिरस्योर्णम् रदावोर्जम् मे यच्छ पाहि मामाहि गुंसेर्विष्णोः शर्मासि शर्म यजमानस्य शर्म मे यच्छ नक्षत्राणाम् मातिकाशात् पाहीन्द्रस्य योनिरसि मामाहि गुंसे कृष्यै त्वा तुषस्यादीतु विप्पलाभ्यस्तौषधेभ्यः सोपस्था देवो वनस्पतिरोर्ध्वो मा बाह्योदृज स्वाहा यज्ञम् मनसा स्वाहा द्यावा पृथिवीभ्यः स्वाहोरोरन्तरिक्षात् स्वाहा यज्ञम् वातादारभे.
This verse is a prayer to Saraswati, Pusha, Agni and Brihaspati. Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge and Pusha is the godly power which shows us the way. Agni, as you know, is a burning passion inside, and Brihaspati is the Lord of the universe. So, through this prayer, we seek the blessings in all walks of life, in all our capabilities, for acquiring knowledge, for being steadfast, and doing the right things, and also being passionate. And the Lord of the universe, Brihaspati, is what is residing within each one of us. This verse concludes with a prayer to Varuna and Indra so that we embrace life with full energy. The next Anuvaka is a very important prayer which talks about Advaita, on which Adi Shankaracharya had preached throughout the Bharatavarsha. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.